In this video, we're gonna show you how to track TapTap Send account. Launch the TapTap Send app on your mobile device. Log into your TapTap Send account using your credentials. Look for an option within the app that allows you to view your transaction history. This is usually located in a section like Transaction History, Activity, or something similar. Verify your account balance within the app. There should be a section that displays the current balance in your TapTap Send account. Keep an eye on any notifications or alerts that the app provides. These may include updates on the status of your transactions or changes to your account. If you have specific questions about your account or need assistance with tracking certain transactions, you can contact TapTap Send customer support. Look for the help and feedback section in the app or check their website for contact. Some financial apps provide monthly or periodic statements summarizing your account activity. Check if TapTap Send offers a similar feature and review your statements for a comprehensive overview. Ensure that you have enabled app notifications for TapTap Send. This way, you can receive real-time alerts to activities such as successful transactions or account updates. So that's how you can track TapTap Send account.